and we're gonna share with you why you should be in love with it too. It's a brand called TATCHA, and it has heritage and kind of an inspiration point from the geisha. When you think about geisha, you think about their incredible, extraordinary beauty. Anyway, this is a 3-piece set that is really made for an AM, PM routine, but I'll share with you all 3 pieces you're gonna put on in about 30 seconds. Let's talk about the Essence first, because the Essence, this size, 2.5 fluid ounces, $65 on its own. You go to the Essence when you want skin plumping. Yes, I said skin plumping. Also, when you're looking to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and when you're looking to smooth texture. The Essence, yeah, it does all 3. And then you also have the Rice Wash. And the Rice Wash is gonna be where you go when you wanna have balance and softer and more luminous skin. Yes, please. And then here's your serum, which is gonna attack those fine lines and wrinkles. All 3 pieces, 5 easy payments of $16. If you were a la carting this set, it would be $154. Let me say it again. This is $65. For about $15 more, we're gonna give you 2 additional pieces, which, by the way, should be a $154 pack up. We only have 600 to go around. That's why this presentation is probably gonna be very short. It's the only presentation of the month. Good thing, because we only have 600 to go around. Jennifer Herr is here with us.
Hello,
you look
Rachel.
beautiful. I said
Thank
it
you
earlier.
so
Nice to see you.
It's a beautiful color on you.
Thank you. I'm thrilled that you're bringing this to us, because TATCHA, again, when you talk about prestige beauty and available only in those very, very expensive, high-end kind of skin care emporiums.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about TATCHA before we dive into this?
Yeah, so TATCHA, whenever you look at anything from our TATCHA line, you're gonna see superfoods from the Japanese culture and heritage. These are everything that is like beauty secrets that are hundreds of years old. You've seen in Japanese women's, geisha women in particular, who have the most exquisite skin. So when we looked at what they were doing, botanicals that were working, we married it with science, really dug into that science to it, and this is what you're getting. Results, great skin without any sulfates, DEA, TEA, any of that.
And it's an AM/PM routine, and I think, Alan, you said you wanted to start with the Serum Stick.
Let's do that.
So we've got a little bit of a video of the Serum Stick.
so
We'd love
good.
to talk about that.
You can guys come in close. I know I'm 58 and I got the lines, but here's the thing. I have never found a product that if I've put on my makeup and I'm like, oh, you know, there it is. I mean, that's me. Watch what happens. I can put this on over top of my makeup. Wow. Did you see that? That is why my social media went a little bit, oh my gosh, when I used this the first time. I had friends texting me.
Oh my gosh, Jane, that looks so
I
good.
know, it looks so much better.
Crazy.
Isn't that incredible?
I mean, that's absolutely incredible.
I knew it was good, but when I
Yes.
saw it happen in real time
Real
with
time?
Jane, I was like,
You're
oh
like,
my goodness.
What? Exactly.
And Jane's not an outlier. Like it happened with Sandra. We have before and afters in 15 minutes where you can really see the eyes transform. But 80% of this is squalane. So you're getting solid actives in here. And you can target treat. You can go over and over in layers. So we love this 3-piece together because you're getting a hydrating cleansing element, hydrating element here. That's also going to help boost how well this works. It's going to travel to deeper layers of your skin. And then this is going to not just hydrate, it's also going to be your serum.
550 remain. I don't have a mirror, but if I did, I would do the same thing underneath
It's
my
so
eyes.
good. And it feels great.
So you can put this on. She put this on over makeup.
Yes.
She did. She just went just like that.
That's why it's so good. It's a serum that you can treat on bare skin like a normal serum, but you can place it over makeup without disturbing it. Instead of caking on more concealer or foundation throughout the day, like use this and treat your skin.
That's incredible.
Yes.
And again, you put it everywhere.
I do. I put it arms, knees, like I put it more on my body than my face, to be honest with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're like all over the body.
All
okay, so
over.
that's the serum. If we could maybe get a mirror, I'd love that. And so there's the serum, but then also, do you want to go to the Essence? Because the Essence is really, when you talk about plumping, I think this is what's unusual because many other makeup brands don't have something called the Essence.
That's right. And so when you look at this texture, it looks like water, it feels like water. Guess what? It is not water at all. You're going to cleanse your skin, and before you apply any serum or moisturizer, press it into the skin. What you're doing is swelling the skin, plumping it, softening it without doing anything else.
Right.
You're adding the hydration into your skin by 620%.
By just pressing. That's what I love. I love that. Exactly. And remember when I said, 3 pieces you can do in 30 seconds? Because you said it's like 7 seconds.
7 seconds.
7
not
seconds
even. Not
when
even.
you're doing the Essence. It's the craziest thing. You're like, really? I'm just going to press it in? Yes, just press it in
No
on
cotton
your
wipes.
clean, dry face.
Yes, so
right?
what this does is
Yeah.
when you're pushing this into your skin, it's creating channels and pathways for the serums, creams, and moisturizers, no matter what brand you are using, to do its best work. Let me show you what I mean.
Okay, let's see.
So coming really close, you'll see a few lines on my paper here. This top line represents a top layer of your skin. Everything underneath represents the deeper layers of your skin. Now, I am applying the essence onto the skin. You're pushing it in, opening up channels and pathways that you cannot quite see yet. But this is fermented superfoods. There's not a single drop of water in here, folks. Like, this is all goodness. So what I apply here is representing serums, moisturizers, and creams. Now zoom in even more. Do you see those fine little wrinkles and veins here?
Yeah.
Do you see that? Those are the channels and pathways that were opened up by the essence, allowing the serums and the creams to travel into the deeper layers.
Yep.
Right?
To go deeper. That's exactly what you want. You want it to get to the, you want it to get deep.
Because the skin's there to filter stuff out. If
Right.
you don't have that, it's going to get stuck on top.
Okay, got it. And we've got some claims because you did some research on it.
Oh, yeah.
Pressing the essence.
So a professional went in and measured every person across the board, showing improvement in the look of skin plumpness. This plumps the skin texture, fine lines and wrinkles, and this is just on the essence alone. Then we went in to measure the hydration with an instrumental test. Every person showing improvement in hydration by 620%. Again, just with the essence.
We only have
15
about
minutes.
500 to go around. Again, this should be about $154. I have to use my glasses. $74 off. The price is $79. Think about that. $74 off. The price is $79. If you've ever wanted to give yourself something that's exquisite and really is elevated skincare, this is it. I was going to try to do exactly what Jane did.
Let's do it.
Which is
Let's
just
do
put
it.
it on your eye and see the.
Look at that dewy finish.
Oh my gosh. It actually really
It's like a
is.
highlight. Look at that.
It actually
Whoa.
really changed things under my eye and like
Rachel.
took away the
Holy
took
cow.
away the bagginess.
This.
The bagginess. Wow, it
There's
feels
over
amazing.
1 million units sold of this.
And
over
it feels
500,000, excuse me.
amazing on your eye.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you're on the cleanse.
Yes.
Right?
Now this cleanser is a hydrating cleanser. We formulated it because so many cleansers out there are so drying. They have alcohol in it. It's no good. And it's the most important step. When you lather this, it feels like a creamy moisturizer onto your skin. You're gonna add the hydration back into the skin. It's gonna last for 8 hours after you use it. pH neutral. And guess what? It's customer top rated. You guys told us how much you love this because it's so good and it's so easy to use.
That just took out my lines on this side
I
of my face.
know, it
Like,
looks
literally
so
just
good.
took out the lines underneath my eye. That's so crazy. It actually did it. 5 easy payments of $16. Again, now we have only, how many left did you say? 450 to go around.
Wow.
But really, this is a run, don't walk. If you ever wanted to gift like an exquisite gift, like when you
This
look
is
at the
a
Rob
wonderful
report and you're
treat.
looking for things that are going to be fancy,
Yes.
that somebody's going to say, did you just spend $154 on me? And you can say, yes, I did. No crosses count. No, you didn't. You have $154 of product, but you only paid $79. Thank you, Jennifer.
Thank you,
I appreciate
Rachel.
it. Thanks for staying. So we're going to talk to you about the iPad.